easy or difficult it is, but I think Hi everyone, it's me again, Kenneth Dia, your virtual tour guide, day-to-day adventure. Okay, so today we're here again in Leitong because we're gonna go up to Lei Pai. So we're here at Lei Pai right now. We're going to exit B. Okay, here at Leitong Estate, exit B. Okay, going out from the elevator, we just turn right over there where the buses are, and we're gonna start climbing up. But for now, if you need anything like water or you need to eat, 7-Eleven is across the street, and so that's where we're going up right now, over there. So we just came from 7-Eleven, McDonald's over there. So that's where we went out earlier from the MTR station, and you just turn right when you go up from the elevator. Yellow mini office here on this side to this side. Okay, let's go. So when you get here, just quick one, we're gonna go straight here. The left stairs, because there's 1, 2, 3. So the leftmost stairs is where we're wala kapoy na ko. So reaching the top, we're gonna turn left here. Reaching here, turn right, following this place, and we're gonna go all the way there. Sure, we can pass here too, but okay, let's go straight. Here we go again. Ronville channel behind me. So here we are. We use the left path going up, so you can try this here too. So it should be easy. Yeah. Lei Pai, Lei Chow. That's it. That's how easy or difficult it is, but I think it's doable. And it's at the end now over there. My dad down there, and look where we are right now. Oh, footwork, footwork. Oh, footwork works. Footwork, bye. When we go back after going to that islet, maybe we can just go to the side, which I haven't passed before. Okay, Ronville channel, what can you say about the climb?
The climb is just like you're climbing in a tree. Sometimes it's difficult and sometimes it's easy, but you have to mix it easy and difficult.
Do you think it's easy for the beginners out there who wants to hike up here?
It could be the beginners. I could say that the beginners could, even though if you're a first timer. But just make sure that you are in the correct outfit, especially the shoes.
So proper gear, you mean?
Yeah, proper gear. That's very important.
So guys who wants to come up here, stay fit, use the proper gear, and by the way, that's Ronville channel. If you want, you can check his channel out. The link will be, his channel will be in the description below, or you can press over here. That way you can press that link, and it should lead you to Ronville channel's channel. Ooh. Okay, so we got down here, and luckily we saw I bumped into Andrew. That's another coach here in Hong Kong. His dad plays. We practice sometimes as well. We came down from this side, and later on we're gonna go up to this side, and we're gonna go past this side going home. So I think it's an easier path going home. The right path is easier to pass. So I suggest you guys to pass to the right, and we're gonna go down again. We're gonna go all the way to the end where the rock pool is. We just keep on. So guys, what you need to do, just follow the trail, and you should come out here. Such a nice view. So rock pool is from the exit, just go down straight, follow the path or the stairs, rock stairs, and go to the right. Okay, so we went back to where we passed earlier, and yeah, remember that's where we went down, and that's where we're going now. That's where we're gonna pass that side all the way to South Horizon. So yeah, you can see those people are climbing, so they can practice rock climbing on that side. And you can see over there, that's where we're gonna pass. See those people on that side? That's where we're gonna pass to. So yeah. Okay, so we're here. Okay, we're just gonna follow here. Let's go. Okay, so this is a spot where you can practice mountain climbing.
Huwag na kayong makyat dito.
Yours. Yawa. So yes guys, this is where we end. If you haven't already, please do like and subscribe, and guys, I'll see you in the next one. Ciao, bye.